As always, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do it right now, because it's always important for the subscription. Me realize that the subscription take time to go up, So please, guys, me need the subscription for reach at least 5,000 every month. If we are going to get to that million or that 200,000 sub, we need you guys to subscribe. So please, may I beg you, if you're watching and you're hearing the sound of my voice, subscribe.
So, we'd like to hear from your brigade brother Richie.
Good while when I hear from you know I'm ever busy in the hospital, so when I get to see each other as often as we used to.
So my man run for him door, but me just do that check,
Girl, not even call me lately. I have to beg to see him.
Okay.
But it's so crazy me I ask about Richie.
So what?
No, like me I say. I mean, you guys almost got married and him call off the wedding for no reason. And him still rope like our best friend.
Like, it no matter, me and my ex them good, like, me see past that, I must say forgiveness is key, because if me not forgive him, God not forgive me. So, you just have to move past it, I just like.
That's true, but who couldn't like you?
Well, yeah, break me heart, like, girl, I was so devastated in them period of time there. But with time, things get better and me eventually see past it. Me not have nothing against him right now.
I understand, but I like on a relationship still.
Yo, so you say the pan?
Yeah, go on it.
I work, I come off and I just left off my car wash and say, I check mommy and then go check sister.
Out the road there, so I say I go buy to capture and come back. So mommy good long time, I don't see her.
Yeah man, she alright man. But I link my sister forward on with me now.
Alright, come on now.
Can't focus on it, you need to get it right, you need to put yourself.
Hey sister, what on?
Speaking of the devil, what do you mean when you forget it right?
So what on to me there?
But good man, anyways.
Hello.
What's up? Oh, I'm going, bro. You? Not even a call. And mommy, you will call probably 3 times for the month.
Yo, Alton, wait for me out there, sir. So we talk to you. But before you move, Alton, Lexi, Alton.
Hi.
Alright, so soon chat to you. Yo, you know I work thing already, man. Say, me have to do double up shift. Me not to hardly get time for myself, much less. And I say work just have me away.
But you can't check if I'm mommy alone, alright. I will check if me alright with my sister.
Yeah, that's true still, but at least me come now.
That's true.
So, what wrong with you?
Yeah. Like Jamila said, me take a rough life easy. There, man.
Nice to see her still and to see she happy and everything good.
She alright, man. She going good.
So what wrong with you now? You talk like you find nobody yet or...
I know, I'm not really have focus on that. Me alright by myself.
Yeah, I know say you're always alone still now, so I'm not gonna really stress up on that, you see me?
Yeah, man. Alright, man.
But I'm not gonna too tired still because Alton out the side wait and sit down. I just see him, we just catch up for all time still, so I'm gonna just cut, so if anything look more. But know yourself, me will call you.
Yep, make sure.
Alright.
Alright, later, bro.
Hello. Hello. Come here now. Give me a minute now. Good evening. Boy, me know say related to my friend, you know.
Yeah, Richie friend.
Yeah.
Oh, how you doing? How you doing?
I'm alright. Happy to see you.
Oh, same.
You know, say from the last time I was there by your yard, man, I look for him and I say, yo, you look nice. I really want to talk to you. But that's true. My friend did it, I never really want to violate still.
Well, I don't normally get involved with my brother's friends, you know, but I'll make an exception. I'm not stay long, so I'm gonna just leave my number with you, okay?
Mwah.
Really?
Oh,
I'm not thirsty too?
come on, baby.
Alright. It's not a big deal. I have a dragon in the fridge. Just reach it for me now.
Yeah, let us say, babes.
Sure.
Let us say now.
Never a body up or nothing.
Hey, sis.
But Jesus.
Me make sure say. My day off today, now, so make sure I come look for you, cause me know you say. Me not call you and me not come visit you, so I ensure I come today, you know. Yeah. So where the pan?
One day at a time, I had some decide to sit down outside.
Might as well, me I tell you, I don't know what go on with them a heat wave, yeah. Like every day just extremely hot.
Bomba, where you going, man?
Hold on. Just I walk on so.
I know my situation, my
It's sweet, man. I forgot to tell you, me and Alton start dating. I try me not see her after, man. I get to sit down and all that.
It's been so long, man.
Alright, well, I now get involved, you know. Sister, and I'm a virgin, so I now get involved. All I do make sure you treat my sister good, you know.
Well, bro, come on, bro. You know say me I treat her good. Don't me I treat her good, where I get no good?
Well, I now got 2 tires still. That's all left, you know.
You know get good treatment. Eh?
Me couldn't go
where I
and do.
get no good?
Alright, that's all left now. I couldn't go and do now because I just did come to look for you. So later, alright?
Yeah, my mama alright?
Yeah, my mommy alright. So I just go check her still and things in.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright, bro. Take care of yourself. Look more.
Who that?
Me.
Me who?
Me.
Care?
Yeah.
Oh, come in. Let's go visit myself. What go on? Why you look so?
Yo, right now, I can't even know. I done a station, me sleep last night, you know?
What? Station?
Yeah, me and Jay, they a yard and something. And somebody come rob we. And then kidnap him. So I end up sleep at station last night. Right now, me just stressed out.
What you mean somebody just come rob on and kidnap him? So him them come fast. What them take out of the house?
Them not think no, they just grabbing me and wonder say if I owe somebody something, cause you know say him doing like a thing on the side. Me don't know if he owe people money or something.
No man, that not sound right. Them just come take so you recognize them face.
Them have one mask.
Clothing, nothing.
Them have one mask and they in a full black.
So
you know how robber
how
just
you
already.
manage to come out of the situation? How you not in a danger?
Me run go under the bed go hide.
So them never see you.
No, them never know say me did it. And then after them gone and something, just go down to the police station and me report it.
And
And
what them say?
them say we can't file a person miss until 24 hours. So right now me just stress out.
Yeah, but I kidnap them, come kidnap him.
You know how the police work already.
Nah.
You can't bother
I
you,
don't like
man.
this at all. I don't like this.
Right now me stress right out. Yeah, you can make me stay here please, cause me no want to be by myself none at all. I swear this situation just mash up my
Yeah,
whole
but
head.
if I something with the tone in, I can't put myself in a danger, you know.
But me not in a nothing. Me not know if him in a nothing either. And them never see me, so them never know say me there.
Girl, just make sure you call him family them so them aware of this.
Me not call nobody from
Yeah,
morning. My phone
family
dead.
them, man.
You'd have to lend me a charger card.
Me
so
will lend you my
phone.
phone, me have credit, me have a lot of credit.
Yeah.
You need for calling family them also. You know, me Alton live already, so me can't be the only one to make a decision about this. Me gotta talk to him and see if he would allow you to stay. Me already know my answer, but I have to talk to him too.
I understand, but me I say the phone dead and me not know none of the number them in my head. So me I forget a charger for charge the phone.
Alright. I have a type C.
Yeah.
I have a type C charger. Care, me not like this at all. I don't feel good about it. Then just
Right,
take him so.
Right now, me hungry and I don't can eat.
Come.
What are going on with this?
I think we need to go outside to talk about it. Alright? Can't talk about it in us.
So, I wish Breeze blow up. Because the last time he come here and take your wig and to ask her for it.
That say girl take my wig. She borrowed it.
It no matter.
Anywho, she come to me this morning and she explain her situation. She said some man run in pan her house, kidnap her boyfriend and run off. She don't know who them be because them mass up. And she spend the entire night at this police station. So she come to me to see if she have a safe place can stay.
We look like a refugee's house there.
You
Eh?
can't.
You can't supposed to see a man them a come there house come take a year to sit there so and come here so which part me there peacefully because what you expect to go on? You can't do that and you not even ask me first.
You have to show concern for people, you know.
Show concern but this is not the refugee house where you come care people come here so.
She a female, and I like see a male where you can send go over and him friend here. She's a female and a she one. Suppose they come back for her.
You know what you understand? You probably think say madness me there such a.
Me not
The
say
time too
madness.
serious and if you take people and put in your blast.
At the right time. Listen to me. I'm my friend, I'm care about her. You cannot be so selfish.
Selfish? A selfish a call it. For me, if you care about your safety and my safety, you can tell me I'm selfish. Suppose, yo, you know. So, I mean, look how I come in and want some peace and she in there. Eh?
Listen, I'm concerned about my friend.
So
I don't want to hear about that.
So you mean to tell me say, because your friend there now, me can't get nothing?
It's either you wait till she sleep or something. Wait till she drop asleep or go outside or on the rooftop or something.
All the audacity here.
Care? Feel better?
We're just tired.
Alright, so Alton just come and me and him have an agreement, so you gotta get for stay, okay?
I'm seriously can't manage this right now.
Alright, want some clothes?
Yeah, I need to take a bath.
Alright, so we'll wear the same size so you don't have to worry, alright? I have some stuffs in the next drawer.
Yo. At the office. Alright, are you calling linking on me there or so? Alright.
So yes, I go on, bro.
I want to say, are you calling link dog? Because I have one little situation. Say it's about some. Lexi, I want a friend up there. You see me? But, you know, we end up with the do a thing and I don't feel like say right no more, dog. Because I want to take it serious with your sister, you know, you see me?
Aye, honestly still, you kind of put me in a position where you tell me to sit me if you know, say, boy, me a virgin and I'm a sister still. But you know, say, man, say nothing to her
No,
still.
if it did worthy, me wouldn't tell you.
Alright, so here we are. Since you come reason with me and show me fullness still, I think the best thing for you do, don't say nothing to Lexi, but break you off with her.
You ready, sir?
Yeah, that's the best thing that brother what you gonna do. If you tell Lexi you go run the risk of she just say, yo, it go over because you sleep with her friend. So don't say nothing to her. I'm a sister, but I know she can get. You understand? So the best thing for you do, break it off with the girl and just try to make things right with Lexi. Because I'm my sister, I know her and a good girl, I know say you're a good youth. So just do the right thing.
Alright, I'm going to walk out with deal with that, so everything good though?
Yeah, I'm there, so I just come out from my lunch break. I'm going to see if I can get some things done.
Alright, no problem. Just take care of yourself, man. I'm there, so, man. I just that me can't link about it, because just that puzzle me, dog. And you see me, I just don't want sensible advice, so that's why I can't link you, dog.
Alright.
Everything good still. I what deal with you now?
Alright, do the right thing, man.
Alright. You see the things that we used to do, I don't think it makes sense. We continue, you know. Because I'm serious with Lexi. I want to marry her. I want to take it to the next level. And therefore, I think it's unfair to continue this dolly house run around.
So you feel some my something or some dolly house business? You feel like say you can just come play in there and then one left me? It now go work. Remember me tell you that.
Girl, stop going like you're an idiot now.
Where you talk about?
Me done so me I say now. Me said this now go work and that's it. That's final. You see me? Just listen. Just remember say I'm my house, you know. And if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't even dare say right now a squat. I'm just sorry for you and give one little piece because me there and I say nah get nothing. You hear me I tell her? So nobody with it. And nobody make Lexi have to hear this.
Alright. Me realize say you don't know who me be. So do everything where you do, everything good. Remember that.
You know what? You see it's in right here. I don't know why Lexi a friend with you, you know. I don't know why Lexi a friend with you. I'm just saying
You
right
better
here.
know. Alright.
Why you sorry for Margaret I get turn on bite you?
Bombard, how old is that?
Yeah, I'm here, man. I'm here.
Bombard, how you not flying?
I just come in here. Out there is hot, man. How you guys do it out here?
Boy, I see him sun from your left, I go over and come back. I see him sun, the sun
no,
not
man.
change.
I feel like the sun get 10 times hotter.
Your man, my darling, voice change.
That's what the overseas. Your vice change, everything change, your bank account change, everything change. So what's going on with you, though?
Brother, you know
Wait, oh, you say it in Jamaica? Wagwan? Wagwan, man?
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Load that alone, man. Nah, man. Everything just normal and normal, boss. Yeah,
Nah, man.
But yeah,
normal
man.
a lie. I hear it. Normal a lie. When
No,
over
man.
there, that-
Go on normal.
Go on
man.
normal. Oh, go on normal.
Yeah, that different.
So what's going on with you, though?
I just have to tell one mad girl over there in my mind a while ago, dog. Cause it's like my girlfriend of a friend. See me? She come over. You know, she see me and like me off and we take a little one out tight and you see me? So she end up then me I tell her say, oh, it can't go work. You know I know say the girl behave a bag of extra way, you see me? You see me?
What? You see, you never change, you know. I remember you from a long time. You take 6 of my girls, that means I've got to leave them every time. I have to leave them. So I got to find one another. Go away. That's how I'm here today. But it's good though, boy. Hear what I'm saying to you now. Nowadays, these girls in Jamaica, I heard that they've been taking the Mali. The Mali is what made them crazy. So you have a crazy girl on your hand, All you gotta do is run. I don't know you're gonna do it, but it's good. They're not change. From them take the Mali, I'm sorry for you.
So you could get on something for me, brother. You know, say I yard then not go on.
Yeah, I know, you know. What you drink?
You know, says I want Pepsi because I run the place, you know.
Alright, if a Pepsi, step in a shop, no man, you get a Pepsi. So everything good do differently.
Everything now, man.
How much
bro.
you get though?
3.
3 youth.
I mean,
Yeah, go out with things. I get 5 over there.
the one over there, one she not breathe it, though. The 3, that
Do you think the mad one have a if you get one penny the
not
mad
the mad one, my girlfriend.
No, but I said the mad one. I know that the name Raw Dog General, you know. I bet you go in that crazy girl though, Takandom.
No, sir.
Do you remember?
Remember, I think me I idiot. I think me I idiot.
Care. Where you look, sir? I went outside there.
Me don't know in there.
Want you? Don't tell me say the man them find the house.
I not demand them.
So where you
Are your boyfriend try to take disadvantage of me?
Alton?
Him see I'm one.
What you mean Alton take? No, Care, me not understand this. First man kidnap your man, then this. Oh, what kind of cross is that on you?
No crosses are there for me. I am man.
Care, but me not understand, me confused. Me come home and see a butter bruise look on you. So what you mean? What you mean? How it start? Me not understand. Explain this to me. Care, talk no man.
Me there so sit down and me never there do nothing 3 months and him come in and him a tell me how him want me and him in a things. And me I tell him no and just get aggressive and just start beat me up.
Just so, Care.
Just
Me
so.
don't know Alton like that type of person there, but you can't swear for man to know.
Well you don't know your man then?
Mama call the police.
No.
What you mean you pick up for him?
You not have to call the police it there. No look too bad. By a man is swelling we could done.
Care, I can't have Alton in the house if Alton is that type of person.
All you have to do is run him out.
You're sure about this, Care? Because I go ask him to before I run him out, and I have to ask him for him side of the story, you know.
And not like me, I tell you, see bruise them on my face.
I see, come, I have to go doctor.
Yeah, me head cannot hurt me.
Come.
I'm gonna get a farm work card for your girlfriend, right? So she can come over so come work and send you money in Jamaica, right? Or you can come and work too.
Come in here.
How are you going, son?
You have the audacity to ask that after what you do.
What are you talking about?
You have the audacity to ask that after what you do.
Excuse me?
What you mean by excuse me? Look on her face. Look on her face, Alton.
So that, what that have to do with me?
You took advantage of the girl because you know she's vulnerable.
After... Look girl, you see you? You see you? Say you believe, you mean you tell me say she do herself so. And you believe her? Eh? It's just as fool as she then. You come in here, you come accuse me because she do herself so. Eh?
She look mad to you. She mad. Me left here for a minute and you try to push up yourself on the girl. And because you couldn't get where you forget or where you think you forget, you put your hands on her. That's the kind of man you are.
You know what? Lexi, since it look like everybody in a song mad out, let me just be truthful to you and tell you what I want. Me and her have sex 2 times. We have sex. It was a mistake. Yes, but me tell her I said me not interested no more because me serious with you. I'm want to marry to you. Me actually get a ring and they are gonna surprise you. And this is the reason why she there, so I come try to accuse me of her nonsense. After you, and you really I can believe her, Lexi? And I come try to disrespect me like this? You know me as that type of person?
Obviously, I can't believe a word will come out of your mouth. And look how quick you make up that story, right? Listen, you have to go come out. You piece of filth.
Alright, since that's everybody in a summer now, my time to get mad now. My time to get mad. My time to get mad now. My time to get mad. Since that's everybody. You and I wanna go turn on this.
So you want to lick me too?
You and I wanna
Lick my Alton, lick me.
You're not draw me up here. You're not draw me up. You're your friend turn on this.
You can't believe this. Should have called the police for him. Care. I believe you. I see him. I'm sorry. I swear. Listen, I see him true colors. I'm not going to make nobody hurt you ever again. You hear me? I tell you, I'm not going to ever make nobody hurt you. Care, but I don't like what you do. I don't like what you do. The doctor asks you, you make up a story, say man rob you and hold you up and beat you. You should have just tell them, say Alton for them assist you with getting him locked up. I don't like that.
Me afraid.
Afraid for what, baby? Afraid for what?
Suppose him come back for me again.
Kara, you should have told the truth regardless. If them lock him up, you don't have nothing to worry about.
You know, so he have some big friend already.
I don't care about him bad man friend, them care. What Alton can do from behind bars?
Enough people go behind bars and the people with him, the one dead still dead.
I understand. But it's alright now when him gone. Alton can't come back here, so you know.
Hey, sis, walk along.
I'm there. Alright?
3 minutes there, I'm going easy.
My brother, what kind of breeze right here today?
You want to know, say, them in the on my block, and I say, let me circle you and find out if you're alright.
Alright, man, I'm there.
So, where you want Alton him there?
Listen, I don't want to hear that the name there.
What do you mean, say, you don't want to hear
I
that?
don't want to hear about Alton. You see, Alton is not a good man.
No, man.
Alton was somebody I think I could have swear for. You hear me, I tell you?
Hold on. A long time, me and Alton are bridging, you know. I remember say to me, make you get to know Alton. So, what really happened? What go on?
Me know your friend. But, my friend get in a little situation, you see? And she come to me to feel safe. And you can't believe, say, Alton take advantage of the girl and push up himself on her. I try to get him own way.
Hold on. That sound nothing like Alton. Me and my bridging all along, and I mean, me shouldn't have said this to you. A whole heap of moves and things we go on before you, and me never see him as that type of person if he take disadvantage of no female. That not sound like him.
Me I feel wonder if Alton did a premeditate this thing and him feel as if him finally get the opportunity when my friend come over.
Honestly, me not go say your friend a liar because me not know her like that. But me go talk to Alton because honestly, this no sound nothing like him. Because me and my brethren, me not see him as that type of person. Plus a good yard him come from. So me don't know. Me go just hold a reason with him and find out the full story, and then me make you know what I want.
All I can tell you is I'm disappointed in him, and for now, I don't want him near me. I don't want him around me. I'm done with him. I put him out.
Alright.
I believe my friend.
Alright, your friend. So me not beat up on it. As me say, I could just link him in idea and find out exactly what really are going on. Because to be honest, sometimes you can't really take one side of story. Sometimes you have to just do your research and make sure say every that's connect. You understand what I'm saying? So me go chat to him. But you're good differently though.
Yeah, alright.
So hold on, so your friend there?
She not there. You want to see her skin butter bruise up.
Where she there?
Gone down her mother. I couldn't make she stay here, so she gone down her mother.
But what make she did actually have to come and stay?
Well, my love, me not so sure. She come to me one morning say, man broke in her house and kidnap her boyfriend. Kidnap her boyfriend and she spend the whole night at station, so she never feel safe in the house, so she come to me.
Alright. But no worry yourself still. Me go link Alton and maybe just make you know how going because them a sort of situation, them a form of allegations are some serious thing and things that you have to take lightly. Not that me a defend him because if I really that thing do, him wrong. You see me, and me no condone them sort of behavior. You see me, so me go chat to him and then me make you know how going. See?
Let me know, cause him tell you anything and me know him not gonna lie to you.
Alright, no worry man, so me just think about but if you have anything, look more. Alright?
Later.
Alright, yeah. Alright, sis.
Alright, walk good.
Alright. Yo, bro, where you on?
There, dog, where you going?
You want to know, sir? I run my sister yard, me I come from and she show me a little premiums. Brother, what really I want? Want to hear your side of the story?
Yo, you know remember the time I come link you? And they tell you the whole story. And you give me some advice. I'm say Bamson, I'm go to the girl, you know. And I tell her, say, yo, this now gonna work, you know, between me and her, you know. Say, I want to know, say, the girl, I don't know what he gonna do. Beat up himself, lick up himself and tear up his clothes. And when Lexi come, he might tell Lexi, say, me come in, I want to take advantage of her. When me never did it none at all, you know.
Why?
None at all, me never did it. And Lexi with her big fool head self, believe her.
Why, Jaja, if me didn't really know, say, I that shit out the mood even suggest you, say, try broke I mean, I'm glad to see you break it off with dark, Alexia, my sister and my virgin, so I try to kind of balance the two and not seem like me I go play favorite to she as my sister or you. So that's why I me suggest that to you. But at the end of the day, all the reason with Lexi and tell Lexi to be careful are still.
But brother, you know me a friend, brother. You know me that never try to take no advantage of no woman in them that type of way, brother. A woman just look for me and give me it freely and out of their love and their heart.
Yeah, me know the choppings go, but me go chat to Lexi, man. Because I couldn't even make she know, say, yo, me know, say, you take a one chop out of because she would not pre say, boy, me a brother, so me should have showing them the levels there. But man to man, you know, me not roll them the way them, me not informer. But, brother, she just have to be careful because that girl a real psychopath, you see it?
Sister didn't even understand it, but I just wait for this is what she did upon, you know. To see what she did upon and when she
alright, me just still big man thing, me just still want to hear your side of the story still. Like come hear your side, me we just deal with it. No worry yourselves, in?
Hello?
Yes, it's
I'm there. I'm in the same place as I left me on the veranda.
You want to know, so I just go link Alton and I chat to you, man. Honestly, I believe Alton, I believe nothing with your friends. I just feel like, say, I said she try to set up Alton. So mine, just try to set up Alton to get rid of Alton.
You sure?
Yeah, I talk to Alton and based upon how Alton tell me everything. It just sound like, say, something wrong with the friend head part. You understand? Because Alton basically I told me, say, yo, man to man, she have sex, you understand? And then he might try to break off everything with her. If yo, say yo, can't go work anymore. And that's how she try to set him up. So, as a brother to you, all I can tell you, say yo, just keep your eyes open. See?
Yo, him even if him not do it, him still wrong cause him cheat. Him cheat for me, my brother. I can't just accept him back so.
You're right about that, but at the end of the day, I'm saying, just keep your eyes open, man. You see me? Just keep your eyes open. And just keep an open mind and keep your eyes open.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
And so if anything, we'll circle you about maybe tomorrow or so, see?
Alright, I appreciate it.
Alright, come on. Hey Jamila, what going? You want to know who the on the side? I'm matter of fact, I shouldn't even tell them I'm sitting here because I can't lose my job for a chat them and sitting here. But because I know so I can't say certain things to you. Guess who the on the side quad over there? Care. Yeah, Lexi best friend.
Yeah, see. So, side quad.
Let me tell you what one. She mad out and over there mash up the whole place and I spill the beans at chat everything. How she involved in a man kidnapping.
But are we really, I say?
Yeah. She involved in a man kidnapping, but that's what I say still about but just that girl for one prep still, see?
Yeah man, me understand so you can't talk and everything, but why? That's surprise.
But if I think still she look like rain gonna fall, never cut, see?
Yeah man.
Alright, take care here.
Alright, let's go later.
Yeah.
Who is it?
Jamaica.
Ah, girl makeup.
You don't know, say, when me hear upon the shout, everyone cur, get on me things say sane as ever can be. Me say, they up a madhouse, they must be admit her, they up a Bellevue.
Michael. What do you mean she mother?
She up a Bellevue, they must strap her up there. Pan bed, with her head gone. When she go up there, she starts spill the beans. She all make them know say she responsible for the kidnapping her boyfriend.
What? And she tell me say a man kidnap just come in so in the house and kidnap her man and she not understand or know the reason why.
You there? Wrong thing she tell you.
Girl, you know security tell me say Alton come in and her try to force himself on her. When you look she batter bruise up, her skin red up. I'm a believer. I'm a believer over Alton and put him out.
Alton, what me know?
Alton. When we go to the doctor, she'll make up story and say a man rob her and she never want to let go for the phone so you know them beat her. Gosh, you know when we tell her say me go call police from Alton, she say no man it's not so bad. So me say why you pick up fee, me understand?
Yes, everything I look for real. Because we couldn't believe say I didn't listen to the shop they attack.
You're right, you don't say it's a psycho, we never know.
We never know up to the things that they get like he head good. Never know say head no good all this
She
time.
saying it's a psycho with them on so long I never know. And guess what? Never go call Alton and apologize. I feel so bad in myself when I believe Alton.
Because you have to apologize, man.
But me no know if you never take me back. You okay? Listen, I just want to talk to you. Turn on.
Lexi, what you want to talk to me about?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, now go fix the situation, you know. You almost send me God jail because I believe you're like an idiot friend. Eh? I serious something, you know?
You find out, say, she was psychotic.
But you psychotic too.
What you mean? I'm not mad.
Then we send somebody I go listen to somebody and me I am man, me I you there. And me I lay down and I sleep and I do everything at night time. I believe your friend because she tell us me come. Eh?
But look how the girl butter bruise up. Who in them right mind I go do that to themselves? Me not go think say the girl mad and just beat up
yeah,
herself.
Oh boy, you're not gonna think that, but you're gonna think say me we do that to her.
But
you not rate my mind, girl.
our bruises are real. Her bruises
are real, but why you gonna use our bruises to make me look like a me do it? Eh? That make no sense?
Not only that, you're wrong for sleeping with my friend. You still cheat on me. You sleep with my friend.
At
And
this
say you're
point,
loyal.
cheating not important again. At this point, the cheating is important again. You almost said me go to jail. That's the bottom line.
Well, me wrong and you wrong. You do something will hurt me. But I never sleep with one of your friends, them never. After me not that disrespectful. You don't know loyalty. And I know you not apologize for that.
Lexi, you don't think I want to apologize to you? Eh?
No.
But it's never important. I just want like a one piece. I never like I want whole a piece and not me take from. I just want like a one piece.
What you say don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. You're wrong for sleep with my friend and that may I say. But I'm wrong for just believe her instead of get down to the situation. Find out for myself, I should have just jump and believe her just so.
So what if when you find out me the day in a jail and then give me life imprisonment for something when me not do?
Yeah, but it would have been my word that them take for it cheap.
How you don't feel in yourself if you know say me in jail? Because a friend tell us say me abuse her. Eh?
More to feel good. And like I said, she confessed so them hear it. Them hear it. So it wouldn't be my word that them a listen to. She confess. Listen, again, I apologize. I am sorry for jumping to conclusion. If I believe my friend over my partner. But I could see if we can work it out. Alright? You know what that? I'm gonna forgive you for cheating on me.
Lexi, at this point, how I feel, me hurt. Hurt to the core of my heart. I'm sorry for cheating on you with her because I never worth it. I'm really sorry. But I have to see how this will go. I have to take some time for myself and get back to myself. You see me? And if it will work, it will work. But for now, I just have to take some time for myself because me really, until now, I'm traumatized. Say, you really, how you behave and how you really looking at my face and behave that day. It still hurt me. How you behave. I mean, it's just this close to propose to you. This close. And you mess it up. Now I have to go start over again. And then you can tell me, say you're sorry.
Me mess it up? Listen. We're not even gonna go back over that. Take some time to think about it. You know where to find me. You have my number. Call me when you're ready. Call me when you make up your mind. Say you want this relationship and this relationship only. Okay?
Alright, so if you guys are hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you have watched the movie to the end. Thank you very much. I know you guys have been asking a lot of questions because I've been getting the emails, I've been getting the calls, but you don't know. All is good, everything alright. Even if you don't see your favorite actor or actress, just don't know, say everybody alright, everything good. There is no discrepancy. People just do what they feel like and we just continue to push forward. Because this what we're doing is a mission. I'm not just doing it for me, myself, Richard Brown. I'm doing it for the entire Jamaica. Jamaica need this. You know what I say? And when I say Jamaica need this, what I simply mean is that there is a gap in as it pertains to us in Jamaica not having a movie industry. And that gap needs to be filled. And if it will take persons like myself who get up And I do this without money, without food, without support. I would take persons like myself who continue to do it, and I believe in what I do. So that is why sometimes I just come on the camera and I say, if you don't want to donate, if you don't want to help, help. Because we need all the help that we can get. And for me personally, I think that's the challenge that our race of people face, is that we don't support our one another enough. You know what I say? A one man we over here stand and do a thing, and everybody sees it as something productive where going to be beneficial to the race itself, and then people just sit back and they don't help. You know what I say? So the onus is on you and you who are watch what can help. Reach out to me on Instagram and Richard Brown Films, or if you're not follow on Instagram, email me at richardbrownfilms@gmail.com, and we can talk, man, and we can discuss how you guys can help and how we can make this thing grow and push forward. Big up to everybody that always show support. Big up to all of the actors. Big up to every single person who make them video possible. You know what I say? Without you, this could never work. So big up on yourself, continue to do what you need to do as it pertains to share up the video them and tell a friend while we continue behind the scenes of creating all these wonderful content for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.
Welcome to Not Righteous World. Welcome in knowing some more about Not Righteous, the artist. Blessed love, my name is Nicoy Cunningham, aka Not Righteous. I was born and raised in the parish of Clarendon, JA, in a small district called Raymonds. I love to create music, I love to perform music. You know, and from ever since I know myself, I have been doing music from I was a child. I started recording 2008 professionally with a virgin by the name of Paul Francis. My music started getting out through the grapevine by selectors from the community, people from the community. And then I started moving to other community because of the fact that other people in other community would start to hear the music. So we started moving to other communities and started doing community stage show. It led me to other producers as well, and I started recording for other producers. I record from some upcoming producers, but I also record from some producers who are doing professional music. I recorded for Kirk Bennett of Kirkledove Records, Barrister Man Farmer Drummer, on the dub plate rhythm, and that rhythm features Anthony B, Mr. Vegas, all those artists. You know. I also work for Tim Dub in Canada, who did a project by the name of Stoplight Rhythm, and that rhythm also consists of Jamaican, Luton Fire. So we've been working on projects with established artists, established people, you know, and I must tell you, those were some good experience. I went to a community to do a show and I met my good friend Ayasite. He introduced me to 24/7 music production. I'm a part of the group Crisis, which is under 24/7 music production and can boost to 7 figures. I'm the care for the group. It is spelled KRISIS, and it consists of my 2 brothers, Imar Shepherd and Ayasite. And it's great working with them. It's a joy working with them. And we've traveled, as I said before, right across Jamaica doing music, positive music, and spreading the message. I have done countless amount of stage show right across the country. I have done 24/7 music production, big Christmas stage show on the 25th of December for 2 years, and those were some good exposure as well, I must tell you. It was great working alongside some artists like Terry Linen, artists like Dario and Rashad Amaji, all those artists. So I must tell you, music is my life, music is my mission. I am a person of culture, I love roots, I love reggae music. You'll hear me from time to time on some dancehall, but the message still remains. It is all about upliftment, positivity, it's all about consciousness and righteousness. So whenever time you hear of Not Righteous, just remember I stand for positiveness, I stand for righteousness, and I'm a person who loves culture. I am humble, I love fun, I love people. I'm just a humble youth overall, you know. Blessed love. You can find my music on all the major platforms. I am on Spotify, I am on iTunes, all the major platforms. And my handles, my social media handles are IG Not Righteous, and it is spelled KNATCHRYCHUS. And Facebook it's Not Righteous, and YouTube it's Not Righteous Vivo. So link me up, and please remember, I'm always going to give you positive music.